Yeah, dog. Thomas G here with another cryptocurrency video for you guys. Tonight's I've been getting a lot of emails, messages about CryptoTab. It's been quite a while since I've done a CryptoTab video. So everyone wants to know, are you still using CryptoTab? What's CryptoTab up to? Still here, guys. It's still here. It's it's identical to Google Chrome. It's built to use your browser to mine small increments of BTC. So here on the main page, you'll see I'm not mining right now. Mining's off, but if you want to set your miner anywhere in between off and on, you can do that. I believe it's loading up right now for some reason. I'm going to have to shut it down. I definitely do not want it to start mining while I'm making a video. So you'll see here. So it's set, hash rate goes up, you can max it. I'm just going to set it off. You'll see it's shutting down. It'll show how much I mine. So every time you withdraw, this will go to zero. And then so will your affiliate number as well. So mainly, I just promote this on what's it called? Bit or add BTC.top. And I'll show you how I do that. We'll do a quick run through like I always do. But you'll see my balance right now is at 0.000237 and some change. Bitcoin, it's like $2.09. You'll go here to the affiliates page and you'll see total earnings $14.80. 14 cents of that was mined on my own, so I don't mine this like crazy at all. I just promote my link on the ad center place that I'll show you right now at BTC. Links in the description if you guys want to. I'll show you exactly what I do. So $14.65 in affiliate commissions. Let's go to the mining network. Again, this is just a big pyramid. So the more people that go under your mining network, the more Bitcoin you'll have mined under your referral link. So I have about 144 people. It doesn't matter if you have 1,000 people. It depends on the active miners. So this can go from like 3 people to 10 active miners all throughout the day. People shut off the browsers. Of course, when you download this and you use the browser and you mine, you're going to earn BTC. So people that are doing that under your referral system will earn you BTC. So, it's easy money if you know how to promote it the right way. So you'll see like this week I can put how many referrals did I get. The installs is your referrals, and then how many active miners were constantly this week was about 10. And it's pretty simple. I mean, if you go to the About page, you can see how the whole referral personal link system works, how much you can earn, number of users invited by you. And it starts at 5 and 5. You would calculate, and then you'd see like the most you can make would be, all the way, the least would be $3 a month, all the way to $24,412. So if you are a mass promoter and you know how to get to a lot of people to join this, because you don't have to put any money into it. Is it a scam? No. Definitely could end anytime, but you don't have to invest any money. You just sit there and click your miner on. It'll mine the small increments of Bitcoin. There's a Bitcoin halving, so it's going to be harder coming up. So you're going to need a lot more active miners as far as affiliates on your mining network to earn you Bitcoin. Can you withdraw? Yeah, of course. You just go to withdraw BTC. We can see the payment history for me. I've had numerous payments. The green shows complete. The last one I did was March 24th. And we can go back and I can withdraw what I have right now. And I can just send it to a Bitcoin address that I have there. Put on no, I'm not a robot. It takes about a day or two to hit your wallet. And that's it. You've withdrawn your Bitcoin. Pretty self-explanatory. Now, how you would promote it so that you can get referrals. I don't do very many videos on this. I mainly go here to the promo link so that you can get your affiliate link, and they build landing pages for you. And you can go out there and use their banners. They got social media ones. They got different banners. The ones I use are landing pages, and you'll see these different landing pages with your referral code on it. I generally do the video. I use this one. I select any one that you really want. They're all pretty, cool, self-explanatory. Typically I'll use this one with the people on it. Just copy the URL. So I have the landing page to share my affiliate system on addbtc.top. When you have a balance here and you withdraw to your advertising balance, you can use the Satoshis to promote your ads. This is how people are utilizing it. So they come on here, they watch ads, they earn Satoshis, and they promote their own. So where it shows earn, you would just go to surf ads, active window surfing, or auto surfing. Those are 3 different structures you can use. On the surf ads, you'll see right here, this will pop up. It says 22 sites available. Total amount of Satoshis you can earn is 165.9. So I've earned some today. So some days you can earn 300, 400, 500, depending on how often you use the site. You just click open. It goes to somebody's promotional ad that they created on the site. And you earn the amount of Satoshis here, which is 9.1. If you do not close the browser out within this time frame, if you close it, you don't earn it. So you'll see me earn 9.1 Satoshis. I can close that, and then my balance goes up. And then you can just do that every day. I do it, just actively just do this. It's easy. It's easy money. Satoshis, free advertising. And that's generally how I build my audience to bring me that, couple bucks, that almost $15 I've earned in free Bitcoin by just doing this. And this one earned me 9.1. And you would just keep doing this until your amount it goes down to 0, and then it auto sets some more like every day or so that you can do this over and over every day. And then of course the other method would be to do these other ones, active window surfing. So you can come here, this person offering 8 Satoshis to watch their ad for 10 seconds. And then this one, let's see how this one works. It locks you in the page. So you'll see, I'm going to close this out. I don't click on anything like that when that pops up. But you would just simply you would hit the withdraw, and then you would move it to your advertising balance. So I have 172 Satoshis in my advertising balance. You just go to the advertise column here, left-hand side, scroll down, and you would do either surf ad, active windows ad, auto surfing. I picked the active window surfing ad, and you'll see different affiliate links that I promote. A Hex Max, crypto browser, Hex, Hex.win, another CryptoTab video. So I could just make a new campaign so that you guys know what I'm showing you exactly and how it works. So you just hit start new campaign. Remember, we got the affiliate link, the landing page here. We copy that URL. You drop it there. It's a video, so you just want to test it and make sure that it works. And boom, this video has been removed for violating YouTube service and terms. So you don't want to use that. You want to make sure you go back and find one that will work. So let's go here, paste a new one, test, and let's see if this one works. And yes, so you have your video. You can test everything, the sound. You see it's got the cool music, loud, very attractive. And then kind of if you want to get the idea on what you would generally say, because it's going to say short description, you can just go to the landing pages here again and select the general. Or let's see, no, scroll down to the bottom. They have text for promo post. Typically you could just take some of the stuff out of the text here and put it there. You can put, believe it or not, you're just one click away from unique online stream of income. And then I could just take that, put an exclamation at the end of it, make it sound exciting. Don't have to get too fancy. Boom. And then here are your durations. So if you want people to have to see your ad to earn Satoshis, remember, people come on here to earn Satoshis. They would have to watch it for 10 seconds. I max it all the way to 60 seconds. So the person that watches this ad that I promote here has to watch it for 60 seconds without closing the ad down. And that's 20 Satoshis per view it's going to cost me. And then you would come here. You can select start after approving. So we got our description. Believe it or not, you are just one click away from the unique online stream of income. They get the video. They have to at least be on there for 60 seconds. And I can create it. So it's going to cost me 35 Satoshis per view for this ad. Again, I have 172 Satoshis already. So if you just split my 172 divided by 35, that's almost 5 views. So that's like 4 views. And this is what you would do. Just every day, you'd come here, you would earn your Satoshis, withdraw it from your balance, your advertising balance, and add it here for your promotion. So you can do this all day long. You could submit Bitcoin to here if you want to your account. I never do, but if you send $10, $15 to Bitcoin to your account so that you can advertise, it's free advertising to not only do CryptoTab browsers, but anything else, as far as referral links in the crypto space. And there you go. You would just sit here. It's awaiting approval. Once it's approved, it'll be next in line for people to view it. And easy peasy. You're in referrals, doing it for free, and you're just earning Bitcoin just from other people mining under your network. So is CryptoTab a scam? No, it's not a scam. But if you invest money into it and it goes away, then obviously, you hurt yourself. But I wouldn't recommend that. What you can do is really promote it, mine from it, promote it for free, mine on your computer, and earn a little free Bitcoin. Why not? Till next time, we'll do it again. Yeah, dog.